Is the Rogers Red MasterCard actually worth it, or should you push for the extra benefits of the World Elite version? When I was looking to get a Rogers card, I had the same question. Both have no annual fee, but the requirements and perks are different. I've personally used the World Elite version for a while now, and here's my straight-to-the-point comparison based on my experience. Money with Wings cashback. The earning power. The difference in cashback rates is a key factor, especially on US dollar purchases. Rogers Red World Elite. 3% cash back on US dollar purchases, 0.2% cash back on everything else if you're a Rogers Fido Shaw customer, 0.1.5% cash back on everything else if you are not a Rogers Fido Shaw customer. Rogers Red, 2% cash back on US dollar purchases, 0.2% cash back on everything else if you're a Rogers Fido Shaw customer, 0.1% cash back on everything else if you are not a Rogers Fido Shaw customer. My take. If you frequently shop in US dollars online or travel to the US often, the World Elite's 3% back is a huge win for a no-fee card. Even as a non-Rogers customer, the World Elite gives you a better base rate of 1.5% compared to the Red Card's 1%. For me, the extra cash back on US spending alone justified the World Elite, Shield insurance, and travel perks. The World Elite advantage. This is where the World Elite card truly pulls ahead. Feature Rogers Red World Elite. Rogers Red annual fee $0, income requirement $80K personal / $150,000 household non-emergency medical yes, out of province / country, no trip interruption / cancellation yes, no rental car insurance yes, collision / damage, no extended warranty / purchase protection yes, no lounge access. MasterCard travel pass. Fee per visit, no roam like home days, 5 free days / year. For Rogers mobile customers, 5 free days / year. For Rogers mobile customers, my take. The only reason the Red Card might be better is if you don't meet the $80,000 personal or $150,000 household income requirement for the World Elite. If you qualify, the World Elite is a no-brainer because it adds significant travel insurance and purchase protection benefits, all for the same $0 annual fee. These insurances are hard to find on any other no-fee card in Canada. Key. The final verdict. The Rogers Red World Elite is unequivocally the superior card. If you qualify, if you meet the income requirements, go for the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. You get better cash back on US dollar purchases, the better non-customer general earn rate, and a comprehensive suite of travel and purchase insurance. All for a $0 annual fee. If you do not meet the income requirements, the Rogers Red MasterCard is still a strong choice, especially if you're a Rogers Fido Shaw customer, as you maintain the 2% general cash back rate. You just have to accept the lack of insurance and the lower US dollar cash back. The World Elite card provides a premium experience for free, making the standard Red Card only the necessary choice for those who don't meet the income threshold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.